Alright guys, so this is Jay's setup. What makes it really nice is over here in the corner, every single thing is all in one spot. This right here is their mixer. The only knob you turn is when you're about to start your show. You turn that music knob all the way to the left and then come in with your music. Next, you got your power, you got your XLRs. Let's see, the XLRs right here, bada bing. Everything you need is in this corner. Now a lot of people ask where the HDMI is. Well, we tuck it underneath this right side speaker. This is the HDMI matrix. This shows number 14 is all you care about. That's your input. The rest I'll illustrate real quickly. They also have a little, it's basically a diagram of all the TV numbers corresponding to that right side control panel right there. So that right side means which TVs are going to show your signal from karaoke. The ones that I like to put on is what I'm showing you here is the ramp is on the left side. I just showed you the ramp there. And then it shows the one TV you don't mess with is 17. That's their projector. Don't mess with those numbers. Pay attention also to where their beer menus are at. Take note of those TVs. Don't turn those. So what I choose the following. I go 1 and 5, and then I do 6 through 9. Then I do 11, and then I do 15, as you'll see illustrated here. Once those are set, when you're done with your show, you do not have to return those to normal. They automatically reset every morning, so don't worry about putting it back to normal. It's a pretty advanced system at Jays, which is really nice. Anyway, the other thing is with these speakers, this left speaker has a faulty switch. Sometimes you got to turn that on. What you're going to do is you're going to pan your music over to this speaker because sometimes it'll kick on but not have input come through it, which is super weird. I don't know why it does it, but the switch is going out on it. That's other than that, man, this is just Jay's setup. It's pretty simple once you get used to it, but I have full confidence in each and every one of you guys. Always make sure you keep that area clean, just like every one of our venues. Jay's in particular does not like anything left from your food, your drinks. Don't leave a mess. Just be respectful with these guys. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And make sure you turn that music knob back up when you're done with your show. That is it. You guys have a great day.